Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by activating the yeast. Dissolve 7G in 120 ml milk warmed to 37 degrees 40 degrees so it wakes without killing it. Once foamy, mix 300 G flour, 40 G sugar, and 1 tsp salt. Add 1 egg and 50 G softened butter. You will knead for 8–10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. This builds gluten for structure. Then let it rest, covered, 45–60 minutes at room temperature, so the dough doubles gently and becomes workable. Once rested, roll the dough into a 30 by 40 cm rectangle. If it resists, chill 10 minutes so gluten relaxes. You spread 150 G softened butter thinly over 2/3, then fold into thirds. Repeat once for simple lamination to create layers. After the final roll, evenly sprinkle 80 G brown sugar mixed with 2 tablespoons cinnamon. Press lightly so it adheres. Now roll tightly from the long edge, seal the seam, and slice into 12 even rolls for proofing. You proof the cut rolls in a greased pan for 45–60 minutes until noticeably puffy. Make sure to preheat the oven to 190 degrees while they rise so baking is immediate. Bake for 18–22 minutes until golden brown and a skewer comes out clean. Cool for about 10 minutes to set the crumb before glazing with a cream cheese icing. If rolls are dense, the key troubleshooting tip, they were likely underproofed. Allow a longer, warmer rise next time or retard less in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.